Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the ways to connect Hayday with Facebook. So in order to connect Hayday with Facebook, you just have to go ahead and open up your Hayday account or log into it. And when you're logged in, go ahead and tap the drop bar icon from the top right, and then you could go to settings. As you press on the settings button, then you should be able to see some sort of information. So here, go ahead and press the login button in the top right hand side corner. Next, what you have to do is just go ahead and click on login, and now you could go ahead and click on the continue button. After that, it's gonna ask you to enter in your password, enter in your information. So after that, you will be taken to this field. So here you can see that there's no such option as to connect your Hayday with Facebook, which means that the Hayday has actually removed the Facebook login feature due to some security concerns. So from now onwards, you'll not be able to log in or connect with your Facebook account. So you just have to go and enter in your Supercell ID. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. So that is basically how you can connect to Hayday with Facebook. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.